Hey, Moldy, do you think Santa will be able to find Elf County under all this snow?
I doubt it, Bubbles. We'll be sad little elves this Christmas.
Oh, no!
Oh, brother.
Where's your husband? Yeah, it's getting late. He said he went caroling with Bart.
Can we open our presents now, Dad?
You know the tradition, son, not till the 8th race.
Hey, Barney, which one is Whirlwind? Number 6. That's our lucky dog right over there. He's won his last 5 races. What? That scrawny little bag of bones?
Come on, Dad, they're all scrawny little bags of bones.
Yeah, you're right. I guess Whirlwind is our only hope for a Merry Christmas.
Attention racing fans, we have a late scratch in the 4th race. Number 8, Sir Galahad, will be replaced by Santa's Little Helper. Once again, Sir Galahad has been replaced by Santa's Little Helper.
Art, did you hear that? What a name! Santa's Little Helper? It's a sign. It's an omen.
It's a coincidence, Dad.
What are the odds on Santa's Little Helper?
99 to 1.
Whoa! 99 times 13 equals Merry Christmas.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Don't you believe in me, son?
Uh,
Come on, boy. Sometimes your faith is all that keeps me going.
oh, go for it, Dad.
That's my boy. Everything on Santa's Little Helper.
Unadulterated pep.
It's almost 9 o'clock. Where is Homer anyway? It's so typical of the big doofus to spoil it all.
What, Aunt Patty?
No, nothing, dear. I'm just trashing your father.
Well, I wish you wouldn't, because aside from the fact that he has the same frailties as all human beings, he's the only father I have. Therefore, he is my model of manhood, and my estimation of him will govern the prospects of my adult relationships. So I hope you bear in mind that any knock at him is a knock at me, and I am far too young to defend myself against such onslaughts.
Go watch your cartoon show, dear.
Come on, Bart. Kiss the ticket for good luck. Not that we need it.
Here comes Screwy the mechanical rabbit. And they're off. Around
Come on,
the
Santa's Little Helper.
Go,
Run!
It's Whirlwind in the lead, and coming up on the left is Quadruped, followed by Dog of War and Fido.
Go!
Santa's Little
Come on,
Helper.
boy!
Come on,
Run!
get that
Run!
Lead. Dog of War coming up fast on the outside. On goal.
Come on, Santa's Little Helper.
Go!
And with a lock on last place hits Santa's Little Helper. Dog of War third by a nose, coming up fast.
Don't worry, Dad. Maybe this is just for suspense before the miracle happens.
Come on, you stupid dog! Come on, boy! Run!
Run, baby, run! Come on, get that rabbit! Go!
Come on, Santa's Little Helper! Go,
And it's Whirlwind by a country mile, and second to 2 by 2, followed by Dog of War.
Doesn't seem possible, but I guess TV has betrayed me.
Beat it! Scram! Get lost! You came in last for the last time!
Look, Dad, it's Santa's Little Helper.
And don't come back!
Oh, no, you don't. No, get away from me.
Oh, can we keep him, Dad?
Maybe I should call the police. Oh, he'll sober up. Yeah. Come staggering home. Smelling a cheap perfume. Homer!
Hold on.
Look, everybody, I have a confession to make.
This should be good.
I didn't get my Christmas bonus. I tried not to let it ruin Christmas for everybody, but no matter what I did...
Hey, everybody! Look what we got!
A dog! All right, Dad!
God bless him.
So love at first sight is possible.
And if he runs away, he'll be easy to catch.
Oh, this is the best gift of all, Homer.
It is?
Yes, something to share our love and frighten prowlers.
What's his name?
Santa's Little Helper.